everybody. Okay, it's Clinton Cole from Rusty Hinge Designs. I'm sorry my heater's on right now. Hopefully it'll shut off in a couple of minutes. So I'm going to talk kind of close to the camera so you can still hear me. Alright, so what we were doing today, we got a lot of paint left over from a project I just did. I'll let you know real quick. Try to buy a little time for that heater to turn off. What I'm using here, Artist Loft Flow Acrylic Gold, Yellow, Black, and White is in the Artist Loft. And then the other colors I'm using are Craft Smart acrylic paints, Great Taffy, Red, Dark Yellow, and Pure Pumpkin. And what I've done, I'm trying to do something a little bit different here. And they're roughly half and half Floetrol, half paint, and then some distilled water in there to loosen it up a little bit. And then normally we do the silicone blaster spray, but we just bought this treadmill belt lubricant, which is 100% silicone. And on the last project I did, it came out really good. It seems to work really well, and you don't need very much of it, so it's kind of nice. So that is also mixed in with each paint, just like maybe 2 or 3 drops on each one, maybe 4 drops. Somewhere between 2 and 4, okay? Possibly 5, maybe 6. All right, anyways, so what I want to do is I poured the colors over and over and over again in the cup. Hopefully that's coming out okay, we can see it. But I poured them over and over and over again in there, so we kind of got this little ring. I'm going to do a flip on there, let it sit. Going to try to put this cup over it, and then put black and white on the outside, then lift the other cup, and maybe spread it out like a star or something to see what happens. I've never done it, so you're here with me. Let's see what happens. Alright, so the easiest way, just get it right here in the middle as best I can. Make sure, I'm off camera here, but I'm just making sure. So I held it like that, upside down, the cup is on there under, and then we're going to just flip it over like that. And I've said it before in other videos, I'll say it again, when you do your flip, try to just do it slowly. Hold it like, firmly against there, not super hard, and just flip slowly. Anytime I see people try to go really fast, it almost always spills out. All right, so we'll put the cup over it like that. Looks pretty good. And mix my black up just a little bit. Gosh, I don't know, I was thinking about going black and white. I think I might just go pure black all the way around it. I think that might look pretty cool. You know what? Actually, pure white. The white would look. No, I'm going black. Yeah, gosh, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm going black. Sorry. Indecisive, huh? I know. You know what? This black is a little bit thick. Let me get a little bit of distilled water in there. Mix it around a little bit. Okay, so now we're going to just go ahead and pour it all around it. Oh, that's great. Yeah, try not to bump it. Keep it somewhat centered there. Alright, now see, the only worry I've got here is when I lift this cup is the black kind of dripping, but probably should be fine because when I lift the inside cup, I think we'll be okay. So, nice, very nice. That actually came out a lot better than I thought it would. Just wipe the cup off here so I can reuse this in the future. That's where that's going. All right, so let's lift this up. Oh, whoa. That might have been more paint than I thought. More paint than I needed. It looks cool though, doesn't it? It looks like a sun. Oh, I'm kind of curious just to see what it does on its own. How's it gonna spread? How's it gonna spread? Oh, that looks cool, man. I don't know, you guys. I am tempted just to leave it like that. It looks so cool, but I really want to do like swipes in it and get it to look like a kind of like a star-looking thing or a bursting sun or something. But my gosh, that looks cool. That's given me an idea though to do blue and green, to do earth colors, and then
do it like that. I bet you that'd look really cool. Oh, and I can do the little white drops, make those into stars. Oh, that would look cool. I just don't know how much this is gonna spread. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do the earth thing, the idea on another one, with less paint in the cup than I put in there. Because there is so much in there, it's gonna keep pushing out to the side. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my swipes that I wanted to do. And let's see, I don't think this will be, oh, that would look really cool all the way around it like that too. Oh gosh, I'm sorry, I know I'm indecisive, you guys, but it's just, there's so many different ideas that come to my mind. Yeah, I need something a little thicker. Let's try an actual stick here. Let's see. Oh man, am I gonna ruin it here? Oh, please don't ruin it. That's my son in the background yelling, if you can hear that. I don't know if you can hear it or not. Yeah, that's looking pretty cool. Let's, you know what, let's just go nuts with it. Let's get it really going out. See where I didn't wipe, I'm wiping this off each time, the stick, you can see it right there. I didn't quite wipe it off well enough. So you see that little black line going through there. So I'm trying to avoid that. I mean, it might look cool to do, but I think it intermixed too much, so let me just try to get that one out there a little bit. Yeah, gosh, I don't know if I should just keep going or let it just dry like that. Yep, I'm gonna go nuts on it just to see how it comes out, and I wanna see. Or did I? No, I didn't. Pretty cool. It's definitely different. Different than something I've never done anything like this yet. A little black one, I see a little bit of canvas in some spots. But all in all, that looks pretty good. I wonder if I can get a little bit to kind of mix with itself there. Yeah, that looks better. Yeah, so I think I want to try that idea. I've got a lot of paint left over, so I still got to, well, do I have blue and green? No, I don't. Nope, I don't have either one. That's great. Yeah, so I'll try the earth thing another time, but this is pretty cool. Pretty cool. I like it. All right, hope you guys like it too. This is another video from Rusty Hinge Designs. Let me get you a little closer here. Let you see it a little bit closer there. Yeah. Yeah, see? Okay, so my camera just stopped because the card was full, but that's okay. It gives me a chance to let you see this a little bit closer. The light's kind of reflecting on it there a little bit, obviously, so sorry about that. But I think it came out pretty darn good. I'm liking it. And that's all the paint that was left over from this one here. It's kind of sloppy drag. Hell, it's a sloppy drag. Sloppy drag, but what comes from it is a beautiful sunburst. So I'm thinking kind of maybe like if you were to hang it up on the wall. Oh, sorry, Jesus. On the wall this way. Because you see where it's mostly orange in the bottom, but then you see a lot of color around it that way. So I think if you kind of did it this way or the opposite way, it still looks pretty cool. Alright, hope you guys liked it. See you on the next one.